Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how we set up our indoor growing system and how it works. We got this affordable and heavy-duty shelf as the foundation of our setup. The pieces came neatly packaged, and the assembly instructions had great pictures to make things easier. First thing was putting these little pads on the legs to protect the floor. A rubber mallet really makes it a breeze to add the bars that attach to the legs. The wire shelving rests in place and is held down with this hook. This part connects the vertical pieces. Again, the mallet is super helpful. Don't forget to cap it off! The shelf took the two of us less than half an hour from start to finish. These lights and all other parts are listed in the description. This kit is perfect for a DIY growing system. Snap the included brackets onto the lights and insert a zip tie through the gap. We added another zip tie to secure them to the shelves. Later in this video, we'll show you how the height of these lights can be made adjustable, so keep watching. We installed 3 lights for each of the 4 shelves and secured the extra cords to the shelf with zip ties. There is storage space on top, plenty of space for seed trays, and the perfect dimensions for this heat mat. Our planting mix is made of peat moss, potting soil, and perlite. This combination is perfect for starting plants from seed. Start by filling your trays with the mix. This is a 72 cell tray with holes that allow for bottom watering. Once filled, smooth it out and grab an identical tray. Set it on top and press down to make the soil more compact. Now it's ready for seeds. We'll show you the sweet pea flowers we're growing. These particular seeds must be soaked before planting. We numbered the tray and made a note of which variety was which. There's no need to push the seed into the soil. Just set one seed in the center of each cell. They certainly can be stubborn and not want to stay in place. We wrote on popsicle sticks to label the different varieties of flowers we planted. Vermiculite will hold your seeds in place, improve moisture retention, prevent the growth of algae, and will help your seeds germinate faster. Sprinkle it all over your seeds to get a nice coating. It doesn't need complete coverage. Some seeds require heat to germinate, so make sure you have a heat mat if yours need to be warm. We tented some plastic wrap over the trays to act like a mini greenhouse for the first few days. Only a few hundred seeds were planted this particular day. Look what we have 6 days later. Now another 2 days have passed. And another 2 days. 2 more days, and now these need to be transplanted. This is an easy hack to make cheap temporary pots. Poke a few holes in the bottom of some dollar store cups and fill them with soil. Add just a small amount at first. We made an assembly line to make it go faster for the two of us. Next, scoop out your little plant and carefully place it in the center of the cup. Check out that taproot! Add a little more soil and gently press it to hold the stem in place. Label the cup so you know exactly what variety this will grow into. This tray is done now. Next, we need to feed our plants. We're using this fish emulsion fertilizer. Follow the instructions on the bottle to know how much water is needed for proper dilution, because each brand may be different. Make sure you rinse out that cup to utilize all that fish poo. Shake it up to mix it, and pour it into your tray for the plants to soak it up. Time to head outside into the greenhouse. Our original setup had fixed heights for the lights, but this can cause your plants to get leggy as they reach for the light. We made the height adjustable with chains. The paint on there helps make adjustments uniform. These S-hooks are used to secure the chain. One end of the hook is crimped permanently onto the chain, and the other is lightly crimped to hold it onto the wire shelf. Another S-hook is crimped a little on both ends and used for the adjustable end of the chain. The one on the right is how they come out of the package, and they need the modification to work. Place your chain under the wire, slide one modified hook onto your selected color, and hang the light from the hook. It's easy to lower or raise your lights now, and the color coding makes the height uniform without having to count links each time. As you can see, this easy and affordable setup is perfect for starting seeds and growing plants indoors. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have more builds, hacks, and reviews as well as our vlogs so you can follow us along on our farming journey. Thanks for watching!